Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install VirtualBox 7.2.8 on Linux Mint 22. Either it may be Linux Mint 22.1, 22.2, 22.3. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to VirtualBox official website, it is virtualbox.org. Click on download or click on download. Then click on Linux distributions. See here we don't have Linux Mint, but open terminal or /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means Ubuntu 24.04. So click on this Ubuntu 24.04. See, download started and its size is about 109 megabytes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download completed. Now go to terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now install this package, sudo dpkg-i, then virtual, then press the tab to autofill entire package name, hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, hit enter. See, this is the expected error, so we have to install these dependencies. So copy any dependency. If you try to install this, you will get the suggestion like to run apt fix broken -install. Okay, so try to install this one, sudo apt install, paste the dependency package name, hit enter. See, it is asking us to run this one, so copy this one, sudo, paste it, it will install these dependency packages, hit enter. See, it is installing these packages, type A for confirmation, hit enter. We have successfully installed dependencies. Now install this package again. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, then search for VirtualBox. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, got the VirtualBox. Verify the version. Help about VirtualBox. See, here we have the 7.2.8. Close this one. If you want to create new virtual machine, click on new, or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then we have to fill all these details. If you want to open the existing one, click on open, or go to machine and select open. Okay, close this one. Now we are going to install VirtualBox extension pack. Again go to home, then click on download again. Then see, here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on accept and download. See, download started. Click on this VirtualBox extension pack. See, we got the Oracle VirtualBox manager again. Click on install. See, I agree is grayed out, so scroll down up to the bottom, then click on I agree. Then we have to authenticate. This user must be the sudo user or root account. Then click on authenticate. See, now it is installing package. Package installation completed. Now go to this extensions. See, here we have successfully installed Oracle VirtualBox. Now go to terminal, ls. These files are not recorded anymore, so I am deleting it to clear the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.8 on Linux Mint 22 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.